Oh, this is too fun. Probably not a good spot to speed too much, but...
I'm not coming into town.
Here we go.
Those brakes scare you at all or no?
Good brakes.
That scared me a little. Over 100 again.
Yeah, we gotta stop that. Walkie-talkie.
I'll get it, I'll get it.
That is very fast.
That felt as fast as anything right there, I'm sorry.
That's pretty awesome, huh?
That felt insanely fast.
I still think the 599 takes the cake, but we're splitting hairs. What a car. I mean, can you just imagine having this? You know, you get all there for a long day, drop the top, just go for a little ride. I mean, man, maybe it is worth all that money.